Hi there. Here are some real fast ideas that you have in your computer to provide assistive and adaptive technologies to help all kids be successful when they're on the computers. The first thing you can do is you can set your computer up so that it does text-to-speech recognition. So to do that, you have to come down to your settings, or I'm sorry, system preferences. And in your system preferences, in the fourth section, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to click on this icon that says speech. Make sure that you're in the text-to-speech section, and you're going to select this third box right here. Make sure that it's selected. A window is going to pop up so that you can set a key. We've picked the slash arrow located just above the enter key.
Yeah, on the right side, it's the backslash.
And then you're going to say OK. It's going to ask if you want to use it without a modifier, and you say yes. And then that key no longer makes slashes. That key totally just works as
a text-to-speech starter.
Yep. So now you're ready to close this out.
We picked Alex.
Yeah, we did pick Alex. There's other voices. Alex is the most preferred because it's the most lifelike. It has inflection when it reads questions, and it takes breaths. But you can pick any voice you want. Research has shown that children with autism actually like to be sung to, and so you might want to come here down to more voices, and you could pick good news. Good news actually sings to kids, the text that you pick. And so if you have a kid who's autistic, you might want to see if that works for that kid. At any rate, when you're finished, any text that you highlight now on your computer and hit that slash key just above enter, it'll read it for you.
How rocks change. Melting. What happens to a chocolate bar when it gets very hot? It melts.
Now, it'll read the section for you. The only thing that's not awesome is that it's not a pause button. It's an on or an off button. So if you stop reading in the middle, when you turn it back on, it'll start reading the text again from the beginning. Another thing that you can do, let's say you have a student who is working on the internet and they come across this word substances and they don't know what substances means. They can highlight the word, do a Command C for copy, come over to a Word document that you have open, do a Command V to paste it, and then if you hold down the Control button and click on the word, you'll get a pop-up menu.
And that's like right-clicking on a PC.
Right, right-click on a PC. And so now it can look up the word in the dictionary definitions, but I like synonyms. It lists a whole bunch of words that's similar. So material, matter, stuff. Or if you're working with ELL kids, it can even translate for you. So now, if I don't know what substance is, it'll translate this word in Spanish, and it'll pop up down here in this box. That way, a student who is unfamiliar with vocabulary can look it up in their own language. The only thing that this isn't wonderful for is whole phrases. So let's say you have a kid who needs the whole phrase translated. You can also have two windows opened. You could have your internet window that you're using for your classwork, and then you can also have Google Translate open. So what the kid can do is they can highlight the entire section, do a Command C, and come over into the Google Translate box and paste the whole section in. This particular Google Translate is set up for Russian. Do Command V to paste. It automatically translates it into Russian. The child can read it in a language that's comfortable for them, or even have it read to them.
То же самое происходит на рок, когда он нагревается достаточно.
So here are 3 tools that you have right in your computer to help with assistive and adaptive technology to help all kids be more successful.
Text-to-speech, Word Translate, or
Google Translate.
Or Google Translate, and Word where you find a synonym or you translate. So Google Translate, Word, and text-to-speech.
Good luck.